Welcome to Whispers. Iba Gani, 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 Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Wow. Really? Wakili? Okay. Wakili and the bandits are mining our gold in southwest, says Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Iba Gani Adams, has revealed how Iskilu Wakil, accused by Ibarapa residents of being behind atrocities committed in the southwest by herdsmen, got his wealth. Oh my God. Gani Adams said that Wakil and his group were among those mining solid minerals at Igogo. Wow. Really? He noted that the illegal mining business was one of the sources of Wakil's money, and that gave him power to buy guns that led to kidnapping in the area. Oh, God. Gani Adams noted that bandits have taken over Owuye village in Ondo State and have been mining their gold illegally. Wow. Really? So that's what they've been doing. I knew it that there's more to this thing. It's like there are layers to all this going on. In his words, as I'm talking to you, do you know that our precious gold is being mined illegally by some bandits in Owuye village? Helicopter will come from sky and drop gun and food items for them. The Ondo State government cannot enter the forest. The Owo people cannot enter the forest. As I'm talking to you, some illegal miners are mining our gold at Elisha and Ile-Ife. Do you know do you know that this degenerated to crisis of kidnapping in Ibarapa? They were mining solid minerals at Igogo. That was one of the resources that gave Wakili more money to be more powerful to buy guns that led to kidnappings. They started from one place and eventually settled with kidnappers. There is this community in Oyo beside Aguare. They call it Woli community. They are mining solid minerals there as I'm talking to you. In Ijere too, they are mining our solid minerals as I'm talking to you. These are the resources that the generations unborn should use to survive, to build a very good society that we will be part of. By the time you allow foreigners to come and take all your resources away, what will you leverage on in another 30 years? No Yoruba person can go to Zamfara and mine their gold. Totally, because they say Zamfara gold is for Zamfara. Apart from that, the issue of insecurity is highly sensitive in Yoruba land. Not only Fulani men. I am telling you authoritatively, we have some of our Yoruba persons that are more criminally elements in Yoruba. Atoba, want to joye. We have to look at external forces and internal forces to make sure we sanitize Yoruba land. He said, Benny, Iba, àti ẹ̀dùpẹ́ ilé ọmọ níwọ̀nba ebi tẹ́lẹ̀ kò dùn kó pọ̀ báyìí ṣókí lẹ ṣe ilé ọmọ níwọ̀nba stay to the point. Benny, tó lè ní òbájá tí tó ò lè já àwọn ajẹ ní mọ̀dàrú àwọn àgbàlọ́wọ́ mẹ́rin balẹ̀ ẹ̀jọ̀ tó ló àwọn ọba alájẹfẹ́nu lọ́lẹ̀ àwọn òjòyè alábọ̀dé àwọn bọ̀rọ̀kì ní ìlú ìgárọ̀ ọlọ́ṣà àwọn ni wọ́n ń jẹ wá o àwọn ni wọ́n ń tọ́ wọn àlùmọ́ọ́nì wa fáwọn ìran ẹranko tó fọwọ́ èèyàn bóra àwọn wọ̀nbílíkì wọ́n bìà àwọn jẹkúdújẹrá àwọn jojoyún lé ọmọ àwọn ẹni ibi tí pọmọ reléwẹ̀ àwọn ní torí ádá yìí náà dé. Can you imagine mining our gold in Southwest? Who gave them the authority? Àwọn amòòkùn ṣèkà torí that is why they want to create fear. That is why they are dealing with the farmers the way they are. And it is so unfair. You go to the land, you invade their land, you invade their lives, you destroy them, you traumatize them, you take their lives from them. Why? I'm a so some of our kings are their partners. They are partners in crime. Nǹkan tí mo kọ̀ yéètì náà ni pé wọ́n máa fi ṣe àrí ìgbọ́dọ̀ wí àmọ́ ṣe ká máa dà sí wọn lára meanwhile wọn ò dẹ́kun ìbàjẹ́ yìí now. Respect the elders, respect àwọn ilé iṣẹ́ even fools grow even ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ grow old as well. Ìdájọ́ wọn máa bẹ́tà o ẹsẹ̀ pé fọwọ́ sí kóòtù ọlọ́ọ̀ kí wọ́n jẹ́ bí Yorùbá náà ló ní kílẹ̀ tó pòṣìkà ohun tó dáa ti bàjẹ́ tí kò wá ti máa bàjẹ́ lọ báyìí. Anyway ṣe bá ṣírí wọn ti tún ṣe bá ṣáà ti mọ̀ pé ẹran àti Fúlàní tí wọ́n fi ń bojú ó láwọn tí wọ́n ń jíṣẹ́ fún wọn ní bàbá àṣàlẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi wọ́n lọ́kàn balẹ̀ pé máa jó lọ wọ́n lọ́mọ ogun bò lọ́mọ ogun mẹ̀kúnnù àníṣe kí mẹ̀kúnnù dìde tí mẹ̀kúnnù bá ti dìde mẹ̀kúnnù ló lè jàjà yìí ohun tó bá ti gbára wọn ò lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀. So guys, there you have it. So Wakili and the bandits, they are mining our gold. Ìyẹn náà ẹ múra sí ẹ ṣì máa pàdé Waterloo yín. Ẹ máa kó tó ní tí ń lẹ́sẹ̀ ògbèjì ẹ múra sí. So until I come your way.